Hello friends, today I Arpan Basu of class 12th Atomic Energy Central School, Mumbai. I am going to talk about two recipes of immunity boosting drinks and the health benefits they confer to us. Now the question arises, why do we need to talk about immunity boosting drinks? The reason is that as the coronavirus pandemic sweeps across the globe, many reports are emerging that many people got infected by the virus and then came out of it without even their knowledge. That is, their immune system was so strong that they were not only asymptomatic but they also their immune system was capable enough to destroy the virus. Hence, there is in general and also today a specific need for strengthening our immunity. Hence, we will talk of two recipes, the golden latte and the recipe for citron presse. The ingredients of golden latte are turmeric powder, black pepper powder, cinnamon powder, and milk. Its recipe is equally simple, which consists of mixing of 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, and half teaspoon of cinnamon powder in 1 cup of warm milk. We have to stir well and shake well, and our immunity booster drink, the golden latte, is ready. Let's see what health benefits this confers to us. In specific, let's study about the chemistry behind this. So, the main highlight of golden latte is of course turmeric. So, turmeric contains curcumin, which is a very beneficial chemical for our body because it is a powerful antioxidant. It possesses powerful anti-inflammatory properties. By antioxidant, we mean that it helps to combat free radicals in our body. Free radicals are reactive chemicals which damage cells and DNA in it. Free radicals, in a way, are responsible for our aging, and in many cases, they are also responsible for mutations in our genome which cause cancer. Thus, antioxidants like curcumin help us fight against these free radicals and help slow down the process of aging and other detrimental effects. Not only that, curcumin also activates our body's own defense mechanisms against these free radicals, and thus curcumin doubly benefits us. Curcumin also possesses powerful anti-inflammatory properties, so much so that it rivals synthetic drugs in its abilities. Having anti-inflammatory properties is especially beneficial for our body because many diseases like Alzheimer's and arthritis have now been traced back to chronic inflammation in our brain and in our bones respectively. Thus, an anti-inflammant helps reduce chronic inflammation in our body and thus helps reduce the risk of these diseases. A point to be noted here is that curcumin is not easily absorbed in our body due to its low solubility in water. However, if consumed with piperine, that is a chemical found in black pepper, the absorption of curcumin in our body increases by more than 2000 times. Thus, there is a chemical reason also to add black pepper in our recipe to enhance better absorption of curcumin. Let's talk about some other chemicals in this recipe. So, coming to cinnamon powder contains cinnamaldehyde, responsible for its characteristic flavor and aroma. Also, as any chemistry student will testify, it is a very important chemical in organic synthesis and organic literature. Moreover, cinnamon powder is also a rich source of calcium, iron, and vitamin K. Calcium in cinnamon powder and in the milk helps us neutralize excess acid buildup in our body and thus helps us and gets us relief from excess gastric reflux. Also, warm milk contains an essential amino acid called tryptophan, which in the body is converted into a serenity inducing hormone called serotonin. This facilitates better sleep. Thus here we have a very healthy and beneficial recipe of golden latte. However, the major disadvantage if we can call it, of this recipe is that this recipe cannot be consumed by lactose intolerant patients. However, if those if those people need to develop their immunity, then they can consume my next recipe, citron presse. Citron presse has as its ingredients lemon juice, black pepper powder, and grated ginger. Its recipe is equally simple, which includes mixing of half teaspoon of black pepper powder and grated ginger into 1 cup of lemon juice. Our immunity booster drink, citron presse, is ready. So, coming to the chemical nature of citron presse of course contains lemon. Lemon contains large amounts of citric acid and ascorbic acid. Ascorbic acid is better known as vitamin C. In fact, lemon is such a good source of vitamin C that 2 lemons themselves are enough to cover up for our entire vitamin C requirement in a day. Talking of a few other chemicals, ginger contains a volatile oil known as shogaol. Shogaol is responsible for the pungency and taste of ginger. Ginger is also used in traditional medicine to alleviate nausea, aid digestion, and fight common cold and flu. Thus, it is commonly recommended to people suffering from morning sickness and seasickness. Since it helps fight us against common cold and flu, it may also confer some benefit against our fight in COVID-19. Thank you, and with this, I want to wish you a good health, a long life. Thank you.